today we're making metallic slime. We were originally going to make cloud slime, but we didn't have any luck. Our mom even ordered the instant snow because that's what makes the cloud slime stringy, but we still didn't have any luck.
And it takes 45 minutes just to knead in the snow.
So we switched gears and now we're making metallic slime with glitter. And if you're new to our show, hi, I'm Riley, I'm Reese, and I'm Grace. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now on to the video. And the things you'll be needing for this craft are half a cup of clear glue. You could also use white glue.
2 pinches of baking soda.
Any colored glitter of your choice.
It works better if you use the same color glitter with the same color paint. And 1 glass full.
The first step to make metallic slime is to use a half a cup of glue.
And we're using clear glue, so when we put the metallic paint in, it'll really shine through.
And I recommend using Elmer's glue.
And the next step is to take 2 pinches of baking soda and put it into your slime mixture, your glue, and then mix it up.
The next step is to take any metallic paint and put a couple squirts into your glue. This step is optional, but each of us are going to add our own glitter.
The next step is to take saline solution and just add a little bit at a time and start mixing your bowl until the slime starts to come away from the bowl.
Your saline solution has to have boric acid or else it won't activate your slime.
And just add slowly. And do not add a lot or else your slime won't be stretchy.
I like to start with 2 to 3 squirts, and I like to start with 1,000,000. So when your slime starts to stick away from the bowl, that's how you know it's working. And I'm going to add water to mine to make it more jiggly. Our last craft actually failed because my mom, the snow, you had to mix it for 45 minutes, and my mom didn't want to go through that, so we didn't do it. And I'm done.
Tell them what kind of slime we were gonna make.
Uh-oh, it's really small.